In this video, I am going to show you on how you can print a ClickUp task list or export ClickUp views. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top right to access your profile and then go to settings. From here, go under integrations and click apps, then click on imports and exports. Now choose export items and basically select the location of the task list or the view that you want to export. And then once you click on that, start export. ClickUp would then automatically gather all the views and tasks right there on the space that you just selected and prepare your data as a CSV file. So once you see this, simply click on download export and then now you have your file of all the views and the task list that you want. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please show support by clicking on the affiliate links on the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.